scale, you see that white pole that's there? That white pole in the ground?
Yes, what pole?
You stop there before you go on the scale.
Okay.
Stop and then go slowly across the
Okay.
scale and watch the lights.
Okay.
Okay?
There's no like direction. Stop slowly, slowly.
There it is. It's up there. So first you stop at the little pole,
Yeah.
and then you go slowly across the scale and you watch those lights.
Okay.
If he puts a red light on, then stop. Okay?
Okay. So I stop.
Yep, stop and then go slowly across. Alright, go ahead. Nice and slow.
That one.
Just like that. Not too fast. Take your time. Attaboy. Nice and easy.
Okay. Forward, 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 forward.
We're done.
Oh, let's open the window if there's instruction.
Now there's no instruction. Keep going.
Done?
Yep, done.
If
So-
you're empty,
Yeah, same thing. Gotta wait. Those lights are on, you've got to go in. Whether you like it or not.
I thought you can pass that.
Oh, fuck no. You ever
You just
pass
say
the scale?
empty.
Oh, no.
Okay, okay.
Okay, come out here and turn to your left. Oh, Christ, you go flying by a scale empty or loaded? God help you if those lights are on. They'll come after you so fast it'll make your heart skip a beat. Clear on the right. Clear on the left.
Thank you. I saw in YouTube, you say if you're empty, just go past slowly and then go like that.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Never fly through this.